For decades, its volunteers have undertaken marine rescues off 200 kilometres off the Pilbara coast.
There's nobody else in Port Hedland that do what we do. We want to continue to deliver marine rescue services to Port Hedland uninterrupted and keep this group alive.
But now, Marine Rescue Port Hedland is sounding its own alarm for help.
That facility is in extremely poor condition, is dilapidated.
Its operation is based out of a 117-year-old former school. Engineers who recently inspected the site say much of the building is on its last legs and no longer safe to use.
The roof is collapsed. Some part of the building verandas are eaten away. The facility is definitely an extreme eyesore. It is not great facilities to be working out of by any stretch of the imagination.
The commander says new skippers need to spend months completing theory and practical training in the classroom, so it needs to be fixed soon.
It imposes an extreme risk of structural failure in a category 2 cyclone or higher if it crosses the Port Hedland coastline anytime in the next couple of years. So if we have no facility to operate out of and our team can't be trained and competent in what we do, that means that we can't put our boats on the water to come save lives.
Jenny Shon, 7 News.